today's video. I'm gonna do an orientation. I mentioned this in my last video, I think. I totally forgot to go to an orientation, so I need to do like an orientation summary for it and watch like the recording of it, which freaking sucks. But we're gonna do that right now. Just like really need to take a nap, bro. Like today's been an L of a day, bro. It's horrible. Earlier I tried to find like this marketplace that has a bunch of food and everything. Could not find it. Was walking around for a fat minute and I just gave up. I was like, I'm not gonna do this. I want to go home now. Let me tell you, it's so much walking in college. You have to pay for everything, literally everything. You have to pay for printing your stuff.
Email me. You can see the information here. There's a link here. So if you have a question, go ahead and click on that.
Fun and silly vlogs.
Damn, you're so cool, bro. What are you doing?
You just kind of layer it and then it just kind of, I'd say you layer the ingredients, so that's like good. I think that's good. It's like, do it. I've never made this before, so I'm just like, oh. We got this big battle. I like when I add cinnamon. Should I?
Yeah, add cinnamon.
I remember, I think it was oatmeal in my, yeah. You guys, I'm gonna do a little bit of a taste test for this. I made my overnight oats with some chia seeds. It's actually really easy to make if you are just thinking for like a snack in the morning. Really simple, and it's good if you like oatmeal, if you like chia seeds, like chia pudding. And this is definitely like a good go-to to go with. So I'm gonna try it out. We'll see how it tastes, I hope. I added a lot of like little like different flavors. I think it'll be good. Oh my god, that's good. The verdict is this is low-key a 8 out of 10. This is so good. I added a little bit of Nutella in there just to like add some like sweeter flavor. It's really good. I always like to add like peanut butter and Nutella into like fruit or something. Oh my god, that's so good. Holy cow. If you guys haven't tried the recipe, I'm telling you, do it. It's so simple. Right now, I am currently going to write out a bunch of like due dates for homework. That way I know. Since I'm a very forgetful person, I need to see like when things are due. Since today, my teacher said that there was like homework due and everyone did it, and I didn't do it because I didn't even know there was homework due. Luckily, he actually gave an extension because there was like a new person. I got lucky, so I'm actually gonna write that all out. For now, I think I'm gonna use my Harry Potter calendar, guys. August. Actually, we're not on August. We're about to be on, so we're on September, which means that's lovely Hermione. She's my favorite. I freaking love her. It's Labor Day, by the way, next weekend, which is freaking awesome. Like, I literally get a 4-day weekend because I don't have classes on Friday.
I'm so proud of you.
Today I'm gonna finish up a bunch of math homework that I actually have due by tomorrow. It's probably like 40 questions worth of things, so we need to start now. Luckily, this video is actually sponsored by Quizlet. What? Quizlet? I'm having a huge fangirl moment just because I am a active user of Quizlet. Been using it since middle school. Pretty much helped me all throughout like high school. It's been a way for me to study, to memorize, know definitions. It's been a lifesaver, let me be quite honest. So I'm gonna sit down really quickly, talk about Quizlet and how it can help you throughout your scholar years, whatever you're in middle school, elementary school. I don't really think you need an elementary school, high school, college. It's time we talk about their new tool, their new study tool on Quizlet Plus, which is actually called Explanations. Essentially what this is it provides you with step-by-step solutions written and double-checked by experts. With Explanations, you can basically see the step-by-step work that gets you to the correct answer. So you didn't get the answer right, you got it wrong, it's usually me. I need to see exactly where I went wrong and how I can get to the right answer. That is basically what Explanations is going to do for you. This is obviously going to come very in handy for me. I think for you guys, especially if you're in a STEM major, if you're dealing with anything that has to do with math, this is literally going to be life-changing for you guys. I do have a promo code so that you guys can get Quizlet Plus and Explanations for 20% off. That will be up on the screen. To use the feature, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is go to the top. You'll see Explanations. Click right on that. All you're going to have to do is put in your textbook for the class that you need help with, and from there you can find those right answers. You can get those step-by-step solutions. It's pretty simple. It makes it 10 times better. Thank you again to Quizlet for sponsoring this video. Still fangirling. Let's now get back into the video. Purple. I'm drinking a protein shake. Okay, so right now I just downloaded some textbooks for my class, or bought them. So I'm making a folder. So here's my folder. I changed the name. Textbooks. I'll just drag textbook into here. That way when I open the folder, it's my textbooks. Oh, that's so cool. I love that. I'm gonna pick out my outfit with you guys just because I find this so entertaining to watch anyone else pick out their outfit. So we're gonna pick it out today. Actually, my closet is a lot more organized than it was before. As I'm saying that, I'm looking at it, realizing that's such a freaking lie. I still need some progress to do. It's just a lot better, okay? Nowadays, it's really weird. It's been 1 week into school, but I won't wear like makeup. I used to go like wear makeup every day to high school, and now I just don't because I have no time to get ready. This, and then my cargo white jeans, which I think would actually be cute. So I'm gonna just go with that. There's our outfit. I think we're gonna try a very cheesy transition. Super basic. I'm a basic bitch. I don't know how I feel about the docs. I feel like it's definitely a look, but is it too like extra? I kind of vibe with it. I'm just going to class. It's nothing that special. I am back from class. Honestly, I really enjoy my 11:30 macro class because there's just like good content. I like the teacher a lot. He's super chill, but I have to do like probably a lot of reading for it. And I hate reading. But for now, I'm actually going to change some pillowcases because this one you can like see the pattern through it, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna switch this one out, put it in my mint green pillowcase, which these are so adorable. Once I have my room transformation up, I'll link everything down below. I am going to like try to place an order right now for an iPad Pro 12.9, more of like an impulse buy. I don't know why. I think I'm just like treating myself for, you know, I have no idea why, honestly. Why am I getting an iPad? No, there's good reason. I want it for notes. I want it to make thumbnails and just be more artistic with my videos. Someone who's really inspired me is Lynn Trung. God, her videos are amazing, and she's definitely inspired me to just take my videos to like a more creative level. You get what I'm trying to say. So I might place an order for that. Pick it up sometime this week and we can unbox it together. I have my stool since I cannot reach.
What the fuck, what?
I think I'm just gonna leave it like that, although that is so many pillows to be sleeping on. It looks comfortable. Guys, I'm in class right now, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm like on the verge of falling asleep. So I'm gonna actually make some coffee right now just because I need some caffeine. I don't drink caffeine regularly, but I have a feeling I'm gonna need it. I have been really struggling to just like stay awake and get through the day without like taking a nap. I already fell asleep in this class already, so probably get out of bed. That's one step to, you know, avoiding falling asleep. Okay guys, I just got back from class, did a bunch of notes. I'll show you guys the notes that I did for biology. I still got to do some more. It's honestly been a quite exhausting day. I mean, it's just because I'm walking and I don't usually walk. We've been in quarantine for how long and we did like none of this. Anyways, I didn't want to show you guys my outfit for today because I thought it was kind of cute. This flannel brings everything together. It is from Yes Style, and this tube top, which I wear all the time, is from Zara, and these jeans are from Levi's. They're vintage. I was gonna say something else, but I forgot, so once I circle around back to that, we'll be back to it.
That was on. Big change, talking about you. Put it on. Screw. Put it. Screw. Screw. Screw to a penthouse. Screw to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo. Niggas talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the what, put it up for my seeds. No cure for the IG disease. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Bitch, watch your mouth.
Okay guys, so I just placed an order for an iPad. I'm excited because you know that like sound where it's like, I know when my life is so stressful, it's because I don't have an iPad. Yeah, that's me right now. Actually, my life is not even that stressful. I'm making it stressful for myself kind of a little bit, but it's really not that serious at all. Like, I'm excited for that. I also have a sore on the side of my mouth that's been really bothering me. It's hurting so much when I talk. We have just been very productive for the past good like 3 days. We've been going at it and it's been good. Let's get the free AirPods since I am a college student. And we got the Apple Pencil. Pretty cool. Put these aside first. I'm actually gonna open up this case I got for it. It is so pretty. Matches. So pretty, so pretty. Oops, that was like horrible. Let me just stick back in there. Okay, now for the big event. start to set up the iPad. There you go. Okay guys, I'm gonna try out the Apple Pencil right now. Like, yeah. Double tap on your Apple Pencil to switch between the tool you're using and eraser. Got it. Cool. So far, this is everything that I added. I added GoodNotes. That actually does cost $7.99 on the iPad if you didn't know. I thought it was free. It's kind of expensive. Put all my like streaming devices. I don't want too many apps on here, honestly. That's pretty much everything so far. I'm excited to incorporate this into my channel, school, and just be able to like be more organized. As you guys know, I'm horrible at that. So I'm going to end the video here. There's a lot of stuff going on this week, but I feel like it's really fun to take you guys along with me. I haven't really done one of these in a while, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys next week. Subscribe. Have an amazing day. I love you guys. Hugs and kisses. Love you.